Okay, math homework tonight is a little bit difficult. It's going to ask them to do two things. They're multiplying using partial products, which I'll show you how to do in just a second. But the first thing that it asks them to do is to estimate the problem. So they need to take the larger number that they're multiplying, 234, and they're going to round to the largest place value. So they look to the right. If the number is 4 or less, they let it rest. If it's 5 or more, they raise the score. So the 3 is going to make the 2 rest. It'll stay the same. So this becomes 200 times 6. This is the first problem, part of the problem where it says to estimate. The way that we showed them how to estimate is to use mental math. They find the basic fact. 2 times 6 is 12. And then they count the zeros. 1, 2, 1, 2 for their answer. That's the first part of the math problem. The second part is to now actually find the product using partial products. And the way that they do this is we call it drawing an area model. So they'll draw a rectangle. They take this number and they write it in expanded form. 200 plus 30 plus 4. Then they divide their box and then they put their 6 down here. And they are multiplying. And now when they do math this way, it should be mental math. They're just multiplying the basic fact and adding the zeros. They make less errors this way. And 95% of the time, the children get them right doing it using the area model. So 6 times 2 is 12. I'm going to add my zeros. This becomes 1,200. 6 times 3 is 18. Add my 1 0. 6 times 4 is 24. All of these inside my box, they are called partial products. They are all part of the product. Once they have all of their numbers inside the box, all they do is add. They need to line up their numbers. So the answer should be 1,404. So their homework tonight is asking them to first estimate the problem, just like this. And then after they estimate, they need to find the answer to the actual product, to the original problem. So I believe this should be the first question on their homework. If not, the problem is pretty similar to this one. It's 200 and something times 6. I hope this helps. I will also send a couple extra videos on partial products that you can watch or your child can watch to help them with their homework tonight.